how can PPC help speed up and validate A/B tests or Amazon ads? So when it comes down to ads and how do we A/B test, really important what we do not do. Because what we do is clear. You're creating a campaign, you're adding, let's say we're testing 2 video ads, you're adding 1 video ad and then you're testing the other video ad and then you want to see what's going on. The one thing that we surely not do, and this is again, from experience I'm talking because we did it and it did not pan out well. Tinker with pricing. We never want to, for the product, for the retail price, we never want to tinker with any other optimization in the meantime on the listing end. We never want to tinker with additional ad spend, additional campaigns, additional PPC. We do not want to create additional coupons. Why I'm saying that is because when it comes down to A/B testing and how can PPC have speed up and validate A/B testing, very often if you're going to do these 5 things at least, and if you're going to add to it 1 week, let's say you did not test it, but the second week you're testing it and now you have a different creative, it's going to mess up and validate you the wrong data. So when it comes down to this, the 5 things that I would not be doing, I'm not changing anything when it comes down to the SEO part of the listing. I'm not changing anything when it comes down to adding additional budget or creating additional advertising for the particular campaign. I'm not going to muddy the waters because we need clear data, good data, and a good way for you to test this. So with PPC, in this scenario, it's going to be, if we're going to create sponsored brand video ads, for example, we would be creating the one campaign. We're going to add 2 different ad types. It's the only time that we are actually creating different ad groups in the one campaign. Just heads up there. And here what we would be doing is we are going to run for 1 week the one ad and then run for the second week the other ad, and that way we're not going to alter anything, and that should be the data that it's helpful. And once that we got it data, really depends on how much you're spending. If you afford a $10 budget per week, clearly you're not going to get enough data. So what we're doing specifically, we're boosting budget for this type of campaigns that we're testing to get data as quick as possible and then to see which of them performs better. We're going to keep that on, like enabled, and then we might be tinkering from that one. Okay, now that works well. Is there anything else that will be changing to this video? And then test again in a different campaign.